Hello everyone, once again welcome back in my class. I am your mentor Nisha and today I am going to start one more new topic in GK, General Knowledge. Today we will not go through SST, Social Science. Today I will teach you General Knowledge. And before starting new chapter in General Knowledge, I would like to tell you that GK is not limited. GK is very huge, it is very vast, and GK is very interesting subject, and we all go through GK at least of our state level, है ना? Because GK is all time asked in every competition exam. So beta, whenever you are planning for any competition exam, then you keep in your mind that you will be having GK questions there, because nowadays for every competition exams we are having a question paper related to GK. And when we talk about GK, as I said that GK is very huge, it is very vast, there is no limit about the end of the GK, because GK means general knowledge and it can be related to food habit of any place, different kinds of animal, different species of birds, different species of snakes, है ना, different kinds of languages, different kind of people, है ना, what do they wear, what do they eat. So CM, about the chief ministers, about prime minister, about president of our country and of another country also. So GK is not like very limited, it is very huge and there is no end of questions in GK. So today I have brought some questions that we will solve. Maybe that you must be knowing some answers of these GK questions, or if you don't know, so I am there to help you. So let's just start today's topic. First of all, we will go through about different places, specialities, means special monuments, special landmarks of some places. So what are these? So question number 1. Which is the oldest religion in the world? So I will ask you a question and you have to write down the answer. Actually the meaning of question is, which is the oldest religion in the world? It means that in world, which is the old existing religion, means कि पूरी दुनिया में ऐसा कौन सा धर्म है जो सबसे पुराना है. I hope you must be knowing what is the correct answer, and the answer is Hindu religion. Yes, the correct answer is Hindu religion. हिंदू धर्म जो है वो हमारे पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे पुराना, सदियों से चलता आ रहा धर्म है. ओके, so you can write down this question and come to the next part. Which is the largest hotel in the world? हम होटल्स में जाते हैं खाना खाने. We all of we go for outing. We go to hotels to eat dinner, to take lunch. So question is that which is the largest hotel in the world? Means कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ा largest hotel कौन सा है? So the answer is little bit spelling is a little difficult. Answer is Ismail Hotel, and this is in Muscat. Yes, hotel's name is Ismail Hotel, and where it is located? It is located in Muscat. Next question is, which is the largest park in the world. इट मीन्स कि पार्क्स जो होते हैं ना, सो विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट पार्क मीन्स कि सबसे बड़ा पार्क जो है वो वर्ल्ड में कौन सा है. सो आई होप यू मस्ट बी नोइंग, एंड इफ यू डोंट नो, आंसर इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट ग्रीनलैंड नेशन park. Yes, this is the correct answer. Northeast Greenland Nation Park. It is the world's largest park. So please write it down these 3 questions in your notebook fairly. Now let's start next question. Which is the highest airport in the विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट एयरपोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, सबसे हाइएस्ट एयरपोर्ट जो है वर्ल्ड का वो कौन सा है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बांग्ला एयरपोर्ट, एंड वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड इन ईस्टर्न तिब्बत. यस, तिब्बत जो है ईस्टर्न तिब्बत के ईस्टर्न पार्ट में ये एयरपोर्ट है, एंड इट्स नेम इज बांग्ला एयरपोर्ट, विच इज द हाईएस्ट एयरपोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. फाइन, एंड मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच इज द लार्जेस्ट river in Europe? Yes, यूरोप इज द नेम ऑफ अ कॉन्टिनेंट, और यूरोप में जो रिवर है, सबसे लार्जेस्ट रिवर कौन सी है? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज रिवर वोल्गा. रिवर वोल्गा, यस, वोल्गा रिवर. यहाँ पर एक रिवर का नाम है यूरोप में, and its name is Volga, and Volga is the name of river which is the largest river flowing in Europe. Okay, clear beta? Now let's see, move to the next question. Which is the longest canal in the world? फाइन, मतलब वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ी जो कैनल है वो कौन सी है? आंसर इज बेजिंग हैंजू कैनल. बेटा, व्हाट इज कैनल? कैनल इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ वाटरिंग extremely sorry for the interruption. Which is the longest canal in the world? It means कि वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ी कैनल इज अ सोर्स ऑफ वाटरिंग द फील्ड. सो विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट the world. So the correct answer is Beijing Hongzhou Canal. Yes, it is the canal which is the longest canal in the world. First of all, you go through these and you have to write in your fair notebook, please. Now you see beta, there are some words. Some words I have written here: steel, horse, lion. These are three words, and these words are formed by the help of different alphabets. Now here we have to form few more words by using these alphabets only. So no other extra alphabets we can use for making new word. So by jumbling or shuffling these words only, we have to make some words. So S-T-E-A-L, S-T-E-A-L. 5 alphabets are there, and only 5, not 4, not 6. By using these 5 alphabets only, we have to make a new word. So what can be? Let's see. S-T-E-A-L. So what can be the new word? L-E-A-S-T. L-E-A-S-T. By arranging these words in themselves, by exchanging these words, we can make a new word. It is least. Least means सबसे कम, सबसे थोड़ा. It is H-O-R-S-E. It means horse. Horse is the name of an animal. So what new word can be formed here? It is as. This as. Next will be H. H. Next is O. O. Next is R. R. Next is E. Yes. Yes. So it is S-H-O-R-E. Shore. Shore means bank. Means bank of a river, shore of a river. Fine. It is L-I-A-R. Liar. Liar means jhoota. The person who speaks lie. So which new words can be formed here? R. Next is A. Next is I. Last one is L. Rail. Rail means a means of transport. So beta, these things are very interesting. We can do it as a playway game. So this I have solved, but remaining one you have to solve, and if you face any difficulty you can ask him. So this portion you please write it down in your book. Well, in our last class we have read about analogy. Analogy means to create relationships. So here are some sentences which we are going to relate. Then how we are going to do this? Let's see. If cheetah runs, then worms. अगर cheetah run करता है तो worms. Worms mean कि small worms ना, small insects. छोटे छोटे जो कीड़े होते हैं. What are they doing? Are they running? Are they flying? What are they doing? So if cheetah runs, then worms are crawls. Crawls मतलब कि रेंगना है ना, जमीन पर पेट के बल मतलब चलना. That is called crawling. Second number is C is to I as. Smell is to like. जब हम देखते हैं, देखने का काम करते हैं, तो हम किस बॉडी ऑर्गन का हम यूज करते हैं? We are seeing with the help of our eye. But when we smell something, तो हम किससे स्मेल लेते हैं? कान से, आई से, लिप से? No, it is nose. Yes. Which organ we are using to smell? We are using our nose to smell. Fine. Next is if socks is for food, then for hand is. जब हम सॉक्स यानी कि मोजे को, सॉक्स को हम कहाँ पहनते हैं? फूट में पहनते हैं, पैरों में पहनते हैं. ठीक है, ये क्या है? पैरों पर कवर करने की चीज़ है. व्हाट? इट इज अबाउट सॉक्स. अगर हम पैरों को सॉक्स से कवर करते हैं तो हम हाथों को किससे कवर करेंगे? वी विल बी कवरिंग इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लव्स. ओके, सो सॉक्स इज नॉट टू बी worn on our hand, and gloves is not to be covering our food. So there is correct analogy with socks, with food, and hand is what? Gloves. Okay, now you please note it down in your book. Now we are going to discuss about some largest one and some the smallest one. And what are these things we see? See, the first question is, which is the fastest line? Which is the fastest flying bird? So मीन्स कि सबसे तेज उड़ने वाली फ्लाइंग करने वाली बर्ड का नाम बताओ. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज falcon. Yes, falcon. This is the bird which is the largest flying bird. Next we move. Which is the smallest bird? Yes, मीन्स ये जो बर्ड है वो सबसे छोटी होती है दुनिया में, और सबसे छोटी साइज की स्मॉलेस्ट बर्ड कौन सी है? दिस यू हैव टू टेल, एंड द आंसर इज यस, हमिंग बर्ड. जो वर्ल्ड में सबसे छोटी बर्ड है, सबसे छोटे साइज की बर्ड है, उसका नाम क्या है? हमिंग बर्ड. यस, दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बर्ड इन द वर्ल्ड. And the fastest running animal. Name the fastest running animal. So means कि वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा तेज दौड़ने वाला एनिमल कौन सा है? And the answer is cheetah. Yes, cheetah is the animal which runs very, very fast. So these three questions you please write it down in your book. Now let's start. Largest lake in India. Name the largest lake in the India. What is lake? Lake is a kind of a water sources, and which lake is the largest lake in India? So answer is Vular Lake. Yes, Vular Lake is that lake which is the largest lake in India. Okay, done. Next question is name the highest dam in India. It means the dam. Dam is that barrier across the river to stop the overflow of river when it is filled. So the answer is Tehri Dam is the highest. It is spelling is highest dam. Yes, Tehri Dam is the highest dam in the India. And let's see next question. Biggest church in India. It means the church is a holy place where Christian people goes to worship their God. So which is the biggest church in India? It is Sikh Cathedral. Yes, Sikh Cathedral is the name of the church which is the biggest church in India. Even in India, people are coming across the nearby places or other countries. They are coming and they are worshipping their own religion. Fine. So these are three questions. Please write it down. Now, highest civilian award. Name the highest civilian award. Means the highest ranking civilian award given to the person, and which is this? This is Bharat Ratna. Yes, Bharat Ratna is that award which is given to a person. It is the high ranking award. Next is, name the highest waterfall in India. Yes, it is Jog Fall. Yes, Jog Fall is the highest waterfall. Waterfall means कि जब waterfall water sources in and where water is falling from very high. So Jog Fall is the highest waterfall in India. Next is, name the tallest statue of the world. In the मीन्स की वर्ल्ड में सबसे ऊंची स्टैचू, सबसे बड़ी स्टैचू जो है वो किसकी है? एंड द आंसर इज स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी. Yes, it is the statue which is the tallest statue in the world. So you please write it down here. These are the important questions which I have given to you to note it down, and the remaining one you please try to solve yourself. And today I will end GK pages. I have completed 4-5 pages here. So today we will be ending this session over here only. But again I would like to tell you that there is no end of GK. GK is very vast, very huge. So please keep learning, keep going through general knowledge questions, and because these are very interesting, it will help you definitely for your competition exam. For today, this much only. I will be coming with some more new chapters of GK, interesting questions.